All right, meantime, we're still in the heat,
and
we're not out of this extreme heat just yet, Josh.
No, so if you are heading out to the Pickles game tonight, stay hydrated, because those cooler temperatures not expected to work their way back into our area until well after sunset, which is past the 8 o'clock hour. As we take a live look right now out towards the Canby area, our Swan Island Dahlias camera definitely showing that those summer blooms are definitely underway. 98 degrees as they soak up that summer sunshine. We just need a little extra added water to our landscape, which will be in store as we move our way closer to the weekend. But right now, we have to get through these hot temperatures. 101 out towards Beaverton, Bethany at 100 degrees, Troutdale 95, Eagle Creek at 97. Just the same with Tigard and Forest Grove. As those temperatures flirt with the triple-digit mark, that's the case for much of the I-5 corridor. Temperatures out along the coastline slightly down, comparatively speaking, to where they have been, as the summer heat is still found east of the Cascades. But you can see out towards Astoria, down by about 10 degrees compared to where we were yesterday evening, where our temperatures climbed up to about 83 degrees. The rest of us just down by a couple of degrees, as those skies remain cloud-free, picking up on a bit of that marine layer that will continue to intensify along the shoreline as we work our way through the rest of this evening and eventually into tomorrow's. The National Weather Service is keeping those extreme heat warnings in place for the I-5 corridor, along with the heat advisories through 10 o'clock tonight. Then we start to see some relief from the heat as cooler overnight temperatures return, as opposed to the warm, if not even mild temperatures for the start of the day today. But 101 still a realm of possibility for us as we work our way through the next several hours. As far as the number of 90-degree days, 14 in the bank for us. We have yet to touch 100 degrees, but regardless, when it gets this hot, staying hydrated, wearing the light color, loose-fitting clothing, all practices that we have become accustomed to as the ridge of high pressure moves its way off to the west, allowing for this short wave, a trough of cooler air to work its way back into the Pacific Northwest, all as we prepare for this low pressure system to eventually usher in not only cooler fall-like temperatures, but also some fall-like rains by the end of the week into our weekend. But boy, fasten your seatbelts. 99 degrees on Monday. Snapshot of Friday's forecast high, 75. That is almost a 25-degree temperature difference within just 5 days. And that is all thanks to the increase in the marine layer that will start that change for the coastline tonight into tomorrow. That onshore flow increasing the wind speeds out towards central Oregon, and the fire threat increases as well as the cloud coverage does just the same for western Oregon and southwest Washington by the time we move our way into Thursday. So again, Wednesday still sunny for us. Filling up the rain gauges to maybe just a couple of 1/100ths of an inch over the next 48 hours. Yeah, hard to believe we're talking about rain after the high heat we've been dealing with, but it can't come soon enough as red flag warnings are in place through Wednesday night for central Oregon and southwest Washington. And here's a quick little glimpse at where our rain totals could be going as we work our way towards the weekend. Some of us nearing almost 3/4 of an inch. That will be a welcome sight. But for tonight, all is dry, all is calm and quiet. Temperatures sliding back into the mid-60s by sunrise. Here's a snapshot of tomorrow. Again, that KOIN 6 weather alert set to expire later tonight. Still toasty for us out towards the gorge and out towards central Oregon. But for the gardeners out there, your Al's Garden and Home forecast shows some free water coming our direction by the time we move our way into Friday. That's where the temperatures bottom out in the mid-70s. That puts us below the average of 83 for this time of year. And that wet weather potential keeps us going through the weekend before more sunshine, and a gradual warming trend puts us back to where we should be for this time of year early next week.
Yep. All right, Josh. Sounds good.